Say I have two tables, the same thing that we were working with till now. I have a department table and employee table. If you observe, I have two employees with null as department ID. That means I haven't decided the department IDs of these two employees. As department ID is foreign key, there is no problem. I can have null values in foreign key. And I have one department 103 in which there is no employee. Even then there is no problem. So this is perfect data that I have. Now if you observe the result that I have here, say I want employee ID, employee name, employee salary, email ID, and the department name of that employee and HOD name of that employee. That means I need to extract the data from more than one table. Now if you observe the output, I have employee ID, employee name, employee salary, email ID, department name, and HOD. Now what all the columns that I have from left table, I call it as left table and this as right table. This as left table, this as right table. Now if you observe from left table, I have the records 121 till 129, and on the right table I have the records of testing, admin, and HR. That means I'm matching the department ID 100 with this, and I'm writing the record Tom testing Franklin 100 100 101 101 101 102. So if I observe this carefully, I have all the matched rows from left table and matched rows from right table. Now 1230 1240 are unmatched rows, I haven't included that. Even development is unmatched, I haven't included that in my result set. So I can say I have matched rows from left table and matched rows from right table. This is nothing but my inner join. This is nothing but my inner join. Inner join is nothing but a join in which I have matched rows from left table and matched rows from right table. The same scenario, but the result is different. If you observe this result carefully, I have all the records from left table 1221 to 1229 matched as well as unmatched 1230 1240. All the records from left table and only matched records from right table. You see that I have testing, admin, HR. There is no development here. And for these two records where department ID is null, department name and HOD name is also null. The scenario where I have all the records from left table and matched records from right table is called as left outer join. Now let's go for another scenario. Hope you can guess this scenario. Yeah, definitely. If you observe this, I have all the records from right table, that is testing, admin, HR, as well as development, and only matched records from left table, that is 1221 to 1229. So if I have all the records from right table and matched records from left table, it will give me a term that is right outer join. If I have all the records from right table and matched records from left table, will give me right outer join. The next and the last scenario, definitely it is all the rows from left table, all the rows from right table. This is nothing but my full outer join. Now how do I write query for this? Very simple. Till now we have been writing the queries from single table, so we were writing select employee ID, employee name, employee salary, so on. Now I want to write the query from multiple tables, that means from 2 tables or 3 tables or 4 tables. So what is that I need to do? I need to refer the column with the help of the table name. Say this is an employee table and this is department table. Now what are the things I want? I am getting employee ID, employee name, employee salary, email ID from employee table, department name and HOD from department table. So I write in this way: select employee table dot employee ID. It says that employee ID I am getting from employee table. Employee table dot employee name, employee table dot employee salary, employee table dot email ID. Now these are the columns that I am getting from employee table, so I am using employee table as reference. And department name and HOD are the columns that I am getting from department table, so I am using department table as reference. Select all this column from left table. My left table is employee table, and I want to join this on right table. From employee table, full outer join department table. From employee table, full outer join department table. Now I am joining based on what columns? I am joining based on department ID column. On employee table dot department ID equals to department table dot department ID. On employee table dot department ID equals to department table dot department ID. So this is a join query, full outer join query. If I want to write inner join, I need to simply replace full outer join with inner join or left outer join or right outer join. That's it. This is very simple. To write joins, you need to refer the column with the help of table names. So this is your full outer join. Let's implement this in our next video. Thank you very much.